making a duplicatable project template that I'll be iterating from now. I like seeing all the pre-made folders that looks just like a Laravel project. A wonderful PHP web app framework for those who don't know. Hopefully this can turn out to be some kind of personal go-to framework for me in the future. Just the same old player script and scene. This time I'm using the custom input because the UI inputs doesn't come with WASD keys. Let's apply those inputs. Turns out even in games I'm still trying to find out how to center stuff other than diffs. With this, even if my player's position is out of the editor's viewport, it'll always be X-centered when the game starts. Now I'm finding out the max left and right down for my player's movement quirk. And I'll keep those values as variables in my player script to use it in if check. If the player's global X position left or right are less or greater than equal to the bounds variables, then assign the left bound to the right check and right bound to the left check, just as intended. Resource is what people revert as Godot's answer to Unity scriptable objects. As this is my first experience with it, I decided to make a simple enemy data resource as my first hands-on trial. What's nice about custom resource is that I can add more independent data and have one central code source to change stuff. Now my enemy can be spiders, bats or crocodiles with just one enemy scene. Consume all the data from my enemy resource. Each can have its own health, damage, and my plan for item drops later. Now let's consume the data in my enemy scene. And I can simply add more variables as needed to my resource. This enemy will simply move down when spawned. Now let's spawn them. Some more debugging. There you go.